Hello and welcome back. Today is day 6 and today we would like to try out to learn something about the decal placement, because sometimes we need to place certain pictures inside our 3D models. So for that you just click on the insert and go to the decal. But before that, let's just try out how I just put this decal on this ring. And next we would like to talk about the physical material appearance, right? You can just click on this physical material appearance, and here you have different materials, like as you can see over here. See, you have liquids, metals. I'll just click on the metals. See, you have different materials, and probably I just used the brass for now. You can just change it by just drop and drag the certain color. See, this looks nice. Whatever you like, you can go for the copper, but for now I will just keep it brass and close this. Next I will just do one thing to edit the decal. Already I have placed this, so do one thing, just delete this decal and click on the insert, click on decal, insert from my computer, click on downloads, and here you go. We have this Fusion 360. Now image is this one. I have just brought it, and face is this one. See, and one thing you can do is to just keep the opacity maximum, and you can just make sure to keep it horizontal, proper on the plane. See, at 90-degree angle, and you can just keep it the X distance 1. See, and Y distance 1. Sorry, let me keep it 0 for now, and again I'll keep it 0. Let me just maximum the scale up to 2. See, this looks better. You can just flip it horizontal, you can just flip it vertical, and just boom. See how I just placed this. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial. You can just deal with any kind of images and decals you just put in your 3D models. Just boom. Thank you.